Hi again, everybody. Wanted to show something I just now finished. It's Saturday after Thanksgiving. I just finally finished mounting, I shouldn't say finally, but I mounted the whistle. This is the Loco Parts whistle, and as you can see, I laid out and then drilled the holes in it, and I drilled and tapped holes inside the aluminum extrusions, and I need to dig out some nicer screws. I've got some brass hexagonal 540 screws that I'll use eventually, but that's the size I used. As you can see, I was originally going to put it further back, but then I realized it was awfully close to the blowdown valve and I didn't want that, so I consulted with some photographs. If you're building an Allen Mogul, I would highly suggest, pardon me while I pan over here, obtain a copy of the May-June 2001 edition of Livesteam and Outdoor Railroading, or it was actually still called Livesteam back then, May-June '01. Get you a copy of this through their back issues or off of eBay or something. Borrow one from a friend, because there's a great article in there about the things they did to build. They built 5, and one of the authors was the former owner of Loco Parts. So let me show you the other thing. Well, before I put it in, that's why I'm shooting the video now. As I mentioned yesterday, I redid the silver solder joint there. Used heavy-duty equipment and heated up the cast iron very nicely, so I'm sure I got a very good joint. And I've screwed in my water connections there and painted it all yesterday with, this is Rust-Oleum high temperature flat black. Basically, it's the kind of paint that you would use if you're painting a barbecue or something. So it's nice high temperature stuff, and what I'm about ready to do, so you see how the nozzle fits in there. In a few minutes I will go ahead and screw this in, loosely locate it, and then I can drill and tap, mark out and drill and tap the holes, the 3 on each side that will go into the running boards. And then when I'm done with that, I'll remove these plates, put them aside, and then probably remove the cab, and then I'll be in a good position to work on the actual piping for both the gas line to the burner, like I've showed in previous episodes, and then the water lines to the axle pump, and the one that will be for the return. So that's tonight's update, and I will keep you posted.